This chemistry course stood out to me because at the time I was quite interested in forensics, but I'd had no experience in it whatsoever. And Kent was the only university that I found that was both reputable and also had such a interesting swing on the general chemistry course. It meant that I could keep my doors open with going into chemistry in any field I wanted, but also be able to see if forensics was something for me. And it's an opportunity that I've never been able to find at any other place. So I opted for the integrated masters over the 3-year BSc course, initially because of money. I understand money is a big issue for many people. It is for me personally quite a lot. And by doing the integrated masters, it meant that everything comes under your undergraduate loan and undergraduate funding, which means you only ever have to pay one loan off at the end of your degree. But when I actually started getting my teeth into the chemistry course, I realized that the master's degree is definitely for me, not just because I enjoy chemistry, but because I enjoy discovering new things. I enjoy being able to have the freedom to get stuck into whatever I want. And by doing the integrated masters, I had that option available to me alongside the fact that I could afford to do it. So there's this short research project that I did in my previous year of study, and in that I had freedom and flexibility that I'd never really had during the rest of my degree course, or in my entire education in fact. And I was able to really dig deep into my topic of interest, which was tattooing, believe it or not. And I actually discovered something that could potentially be new and never really looked at before. And that in itself, just knowing you've done something that no one else has done before, and knowing that the staff here can make that happen for you, is just, it's unbelievable, really. The facilities here, you really can't fault them. As an undergrad, you are thrown straight into the state-of-the-art equipment. You know, they don't baby you in any way. They don't start you off with stuff you may have played around with in college. You go straight into the advanced equipment because at the end of the day, that's the stuff you'll be using in industry, and they want to make sure you're prepared for that. Put in as much as you can into your degree and the university experience as a whole. So sacrifice sleep as much as you can, because the more you put into these 3 or 4 years or whatever it is you're wanting to do, the more you put in, the more you'll get out. By doing the societies, by making sure you work hard, by talking to the lecturers, getting to know them as people, not just as your teacher, will make sure that you go so much farther than just doing the work.